So if we look at this room to see where the best place is to build a den, we need to think about where the fireworks are going to be happening, and that's outside. So we need to be as far away as possible from the windows to outside, and make it in a nice quiet corner of the room. And in this room, the best place is over in this corner here. Now you'll notice there's a door next door with the glass panes in, so it's not ideal, but we could that evening cover it over with a blanket to try and mask some of the firework lights and sounds. And also it's the room where the family's going to be during the night, and they're probably hopefully going to be listening to the television as well to keep down the noise of the fireworks outside. Dogs, when they're frightened about something, will seek somewhere to go that they feel safe and secure. So we want to make sure the den is provided for them, which they know is the place that they're going to be safe and secure in. So we need to get them used to it earlier on before fireworks start. So we're going to use a puppy crate for this, just to make it nice and enclosed. It doesn't have to be a puppy crate, it can be whatever is appropriate for what you have and where the space is. It can just be, if it's behind a sofa, just draping over lots of blankets over there to make it more enclosed and dark and quiet and comfortable for them. So we're going to use Stanley's bed because that's what he's used to, and it smells of him and he's used to it. But also we're going to then add some blankets over the top to make it nice and dark and secure, but also to help muffle out some of the sounds of the fireworks. So then we want to leave the door open so that he knows that he can get in and out whenever is necessary, and just feel safe and secure that that's their spot and they're okay in there. And to help your dog get used to using the den, you can always use the Adaptil spray also. So all you need to do is just add some sprays to the bedding and then leave 15 minutes before you introduce your dog to the den, just to let any smells from the alcohol evaporate away. So we've built the den and we've made that nice and comfortable for your dog, but what else do we need to think about on the night? The first important thing to do is make sure we've taken our dog for a walk earlier on in the evening before it gets dark and there's any chance of any fireworks going off. So we need to make sure all the doors are shut and the windows, and any cat flaps that you have to make sure your cats stay inside with you, and then we need to shut the curtains. So we shut the curtains in this room, but we've also got a glass door. So what we're going to do is cover it over with a sheet to muffle any of the sights and sounds of the fireworks. So we've already sprayed the bed with Adaptil, as you've seen, but also to help your dog get used to using the space, you can use some treats and play toys in there. And also I'm going to use today a chew toy